Emergency situations happen when you least expect. Never be ill-equipped with BELFOR Alert, the game-changing app built to improve planning, preparedness, and response for any emergent scenario. Technology has become essential in today's preparedness and response activities. Why continue to rely on physical emergency response binders? Eliminate these outdated practices by allowing anyone from anywhere at any time to access virtual plans for each of your facilities, including everything from emergency action procedures to entire emergency operations and business continuity plans. Using the emergency notification dashboard, your staff and decision makers are alerted immediately to a situation, taking them directly to the right actions, steps, and procedures to mitigate any risk. Quickly see everything from directions to the facility to points of interest. With the power of securely integrated 3D mapping technology, they can navigate directly to the location of life-saving devices and even understand how to use them. Prepare better, respond faster, and stay one step ahead with BELFOR Alert. Preparedness guided by intelligence, informed by experience.